We are live at the 2024 Bio International Convention. I'm Teresa Brady, and you are listening to IamBio. Today, we're talking with our guests about how biotech breakthroughs converge with solutions for patients and the planet.
Hi, my name is Varsha Paradkar. I work as a senior program manager with a contract manufacturing company named Argonaut Manufacturing Services.
Thank you for being on the show. Tell us about the convergence of your work with the advancement of biotechnology.
So we are a small contract manufacturing company specializing in aseptic fill finish. We also have a life science diagnostic unit. We have huge capabilities in supply chain. What makes Argonaut is the people that are working with Argonaut. So we are here at Bio to expand our partnership and collaboration with other ecosystem partners. And if you have an interesting product and if you're looking for a manufacturer that can transfer your technology and scale it up for you all the way from clinical to commercial, Argonaut is the way you should be going at.
Thanks so much for your contribution. The IamBio podcast is a Webby Award honoree. Be sure to subscribe wherever you get your podcasts and follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn at IamBiotech.